Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to win money on Monopoly Go. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, today I will show you the best strategies to maximize your earnings and dominate the game. Let's get rolling. So, step 1 is rolling the dice frequently. So, rolling dice is the primary way to earn money in Monopoly Go. Every roll can land you on properties, bonuses, or events that give you coins. Make sure to use your dice rolls wisely and never let them go to waste. Owning properties isn't enough. Upgrade them. Upgraded properties generate more rent when other players land on them, boosting your earnings significantly. Focus on upgrading high value properties first and you will get more money in your game. Now, step 3 is attacking and stealing. One of the most fun ways to earn coins is by attacking other player properties or stealing from their banks. Use your turn strategically to target properties with highest payouts. So, as you can see, I'm currently attacking this person. Now, I will have to simply select the property that I think will be more worth. You can also click on switch opponents and get revenge from other players or attack your friends to change these properties. Now, in order to attack any one of these, simply click on the attack icon and that will attack that property instantly. Now, Monopoly Go frequently hosts events that offer massive rewards. Completing event challenges can earn you extra coins, dice rolls, or even rare tokens. So don't miss out on these opportunities. Step 5 is claiming daily rewards. Log in every day to collect free coins and dice rolls. These daily rewards can add up quickly, giving you an easy way to boost your balance without spending real money. Now, step 6 is trading stickers for bonuses. Completing sticker albums can reward you with big money bonuses. Trade duplicates with friends or participate in sticker events to finish collections faster and reap the rewards. Now, step 7 is use multipliers and power-ups. Maximize your earnings by using dice multipliers because these can increase your payouts from rolls, attacks, and property upgrades, helping you rack up coins faster. And that's how you win money in Monopoly Go. You can use these tips to grow your empire, outsmart your opponents, and become a Monopoly tycoon. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite Monopoly Go moments in the comments. Until next time, happy rolling.